Lenovo Yoga 9i 13th Gen. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. Powered by the Intel Evo platform and the latest 13th Gen Intel Core processor. All new comfort round edge dual design as light as 1.4 kilograms with edge-to-edge keyboard and one-click function keys. World's first Bowers & Wilkins 360-degree rotating soundbar optimized with Dolby Atmos and Lenovo PureSight 4K OLED display with Dolby Vision. The Lenovo Yoga 9i Gen 8 can be used in 4 different ways: laptop, stand, tent, or tablet. Whether you're jotting down ideas on the go or sofa surfing content at home, the visuals, sounds, and versatility of this sleek 2-in-1 laptop will amaze you as much as it will entertain you. 13th Gen Intel Core i7 1360p. Intel Iris Xe graphics. RAM 16GB LPDDR5 5200, soldered. 256GB M2 PCIe NVMe SSD. A galaxy of possibilities awaits. With its multi-mode flexibility, this go anywhere, do anything 2-in-1 laptop fits into any entertainment or creative scenario. The Yoga 9i Gen 8's touchscreen functionality is designed perfectly for the superior tilt capabilities of the Lenovo Precision Pen 2, included. Plus, there are plenty of ports, including 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, for your other devices. Display 35.56 cms 2.8K OLED, 2880 by 1800, IPS, 100% DCI-P3, 16:10 aspect ratio. VESA certified display HDR True Black 500, Dolby Vision, touchscreen, PureSight, 400 nits, 60 Hz. Up to 14 hours battery life and rapid charge boost. Hybrid FHD and infrared camera. Smart facial recognition technology gives you quick, easy, and secure access, while the privacy shutter enables you to physically close the webcam. Boasts a large touchpad, an edge-to-edge keyboard, and time-saving one-click function keys that allow quick toggling to boost performance. Power you can trust. When it comes to true portability and battery longevity, the Yoga 9i Gen 8 raises the bar. With its high-capacity 75 watt-hours battery, it will power you through the day and well into the night. When this 2-in-1 laptop is low on juice, however, rapid charging will give it a quick boost in no time. Intuitively smart. Thanks to thoughtfully curated hardware and software, the Yoga 9i Gen 8 gives you fast, safe, and reliable computing. As soon as you open this 2-in-1 laptop, it powers up. With hands-free facial recognition, it logs you in instantly. With modern standby, it consumes less power by only waking from the lowest power state when it's needed. And with super resolution, poor quality local videos are upscaled to high-res visuals automatically. Includes Lenovo Smart Notes that helps take down digitized notes instantly on locked screen using Lenovo Digital Pen with high levels of pressure sensitivity and palm rejection.